Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to Capcut a TikTok. That is how to edit your Capcut videos on TikTok. Now let's begin. On my mobile device, I'm simply gonna open up Capcut. And from here, what you want to do is go to this Me tab right here. Now let's click on these three lines you will find at the top right. And go to Manage Accounts. Do make sure that your TikTok account is connected with your Capcut account. Else not, do connect it right now. As you can see, I have linked my Capcut account and TikTok account. So let's begin. So let's create any video. I'm simply going to create a new project. Then I'm going to select this one and click on Add. Well, I'm not going to do much right now. I'm simply going to export it right here. And from here, I'm going to click on Share to TikTok. Now you can see there are lots of things you can do from here. You can add text. You can add stickers as well if you wish. You can also message it to someone. You can edit it right here if you click on this. I can trim this video as well. I don't want this Capcut background at the end, so I'm simply gonna remove it. I'm gonna click on Split, and you can delete it as well. Now there are lots of features here like magic, overlay, effects, text, sound, etc. You can experiment with them. For now, I'm okay with it, so simply I'm going to click on Next and post if it's okay. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you Capcut a TikTok. That's how you edit a Capcut video using TikTok. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.